Artificial intelligence isn't some far-off sci-fi concept anymore. It's literally the engine driving how smart, lean teams get work done today. In this explainer, we are breaking down the absolute most in-demand AI services that are reshaping the entire freelance world as we head into 2025. So, whether you're a freelancer looking to level up your game or a business owner trying to hire the right talent, this is for you.
Okay, so let's get right to it. What are the skills that clients are actually opening their wallets for in 2025? It's pretty much the million-dollar question for anyone working in the gig economy right now.
And yeah, you probably guessed it. The answer involves a machine. We're talking about a massive shift toward AI-driven services. But first, let's talk about the big why. Why is all of this happening right now?
So why now? Why does it feel like we're in the middle of this huge freelance gold rush powered by AI? Well, trust me, this isn't just hype. There are some very real, very powerful business reasons behind this sudden surge.
See, there are these four huge forces all hitting at once, creating a kind of perfect storm for AI freelancing. First, businesses are desperate to automate all that repetitive work to get more efficient. Second, they need to bring in expert help to scale up, but they just can't get bogged down in long, expensive hiring processes. Third, new AI tools and new ways to use them are popping up like every month, creating brand new opportunities. And finally, global platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make finding all this specialized talent easier than it has ever been before.
Okay, so that's the why. Now for the what. What are the actual specific services that clients are practically banging down the door for? We're going to count down the top 7 skills that are absolutely dominating the market right now.
Coming in at number 1, and you could argue this is the most fundamental skill of them all, is prompt engineering. And look, this is way more than just asking an AI a simple question. We're talking about designing these complex systems of prompts that can generate consistent, on-brand content at scale. The whole point is so that every single piece of content, blog posts, ads, you name it, sounds like it's coming from one single unified brand voice.
Next up, a massive one, AI automation. Freelancers who specialize in this are kind of like digital plumbers. They connect different apps together and then inject these little AI decision steps to handle tasks automatically. They build systems that can sort through emails, route complex support tickets, or even draft reports without a human ever lifting a finger. And you know what that does? It frees up the actual human team to do the important, strategic stuff.
Number 3 is all about business chatbots. Small and medium-sized businesses are so eager to get these bots set up for customer support, for booking appointments, for capturing leads, you name it. The real skill here is building bots that use this cool tech called RAG, which lets them pull info from a company's own internal documents. And, this is crucial, they know exactly when to say, hey, time to get a human in here.
All right, for all you data nerds out there, number 4 is AI-powered data analysis. This is where a freelancer can grab a super messy spreadsheet or a really complex data set, feed it to an AI, and just pull out these crystal clear, actionable insights. Or they can build automated dashboards that track performance. It's a huge time saver for teams in marketing, finance, ops, basically everywhere.
At number 5, we've got something that's completely changing the game for content creators. Using AI, freelancers can now edit video, generate perfect subtitles, dub that content into dozens of languages, and chop up one long video for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts in literally a fraction of the time. It is an absolute game changer for brands and creators who are just trying to keep up.
And of course, e-commerce is getting a massive AI makeover. This is a huge one for online stores. Freelancers are getting hired to use AI to write really compelling product descriptions, instantly translate listings to sell to anyone, anywhere in the world, and build smarter product recommendation engines that actually get people to buy more.
And rounding out our list at number 7 is AI SEO, and its brand new sidekick, GEO. That's Generative Engine Optimization. As search engines like Google start giving you AI-powered answers right on the results page, the whole game is now making sure your company's information and your brand's voice shows up inside those AI answers.
Okay, so we've gone through all 7, but where's the demand really on fire? It really clusters around these 3 areas: prompt engineering, AI automation, and AI video and voice editing. And here's the key takeaway. Businesses are prioritizing skills that deliver on one of 2 things: either immediate efficiency gains or scalable content creation that fuels growth. That's where the money is.
Let's just double-click on GEO for a second, because this is a really big deal. You see, with old-school SEO, you're fighting to be one of those 10 blue links on a page, right? With Geo, you're fighting to be the answer. It's all about structuring your website's data so that AI models can easily understand it, digest it, and then feature it directly in their summaries. It is a completely new battleground for attention.
All right, so knowing the skills is great, but that's only half the story. What really matters is how these services actually impact a company's bottom line. It's all about connecting the skill to real, tangible business value.
And believe me, that connection is super direct. A client doesn't just hire a prompt engineer for fun. They hire them to get on-brand AI content at scale. They don't hire an AI automation expert because the tools look cool. They do it to slash manual tasks and speed up their operations. Every single one of these services has a clear business outcome attached to it.
So, what does the money side of this look like? How do you actually price these projects? Well, it kind of depends. You can see here that more complex projects, like AI automation, often kick off with a fixed-price discovery phase to map everything out, and then they move to an hourly rate for the actual build. Chatbots, on the other hand, are often priced based on milestones, with an ongoing monthly fee for support. It gives everybody a really clear picture of what to expect.
And if you want to see just how big the real-world impact can be, get this. A well-built chatbot using that RAG technology we talked about can deflect up to 40% of all incoming support tickets. I mean, think about that. That frees up your human agents to focus only on the most complex customer problems, which is just a massive win for both efficiency and for keeping customers happy.
And you see these kinds of wins all over the place. Just imagine an ops team where AI handles all the boring invoice routing and just flags the weird ones for a human to look at. Or think about a media company where AI creates all the first drafts, letting the human editors focus their energy on polishing and perfecting the final story. These aren't just theories. This is what's happening in businesses right now.
Okay, so for all you business owners and hiring managers listening, this next part is for you. You get it, you see the value, but how do you actually find the right person for the job without making a costly mistake? Here's a simple 5-step checklist to guide you. All right, first things first, look at their portfolio. Have they done projects like yours before? Second, do they have a clear process? Can they walk you through discovery, the build, the testing? Third, and this one is so important, ask them about measurable outcomes. How are they going to track success? Are we talking hours saved, higher click-through rates? Get specific. Fourth, please don't forget about security and how they handle your data. And finally, always talk about the plan for maintenance and future support. A great project needs a great plan to keep it running smoothly long after they're gone. So that brings us to the big final question. And this one's for you. Whether you're a freelancer trying to build a career or a business leader trying to build a team, the AI wave isn't coming, it's already here. The demand is real, the services are defined, and the value is crystal clear. The only question left is, are you going to be ready for it?